Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Taurus in April 2025. This month brings a mix of challenges and opportunities, with planetary influences impacting different areas of your life. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Stay with me until the end, where I'll share your best days for success and what to avoid this month. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For those born under the sign of Taurus, April 2025 is a month of reflection and long-term planning. With the sun entering Taurus on April 19th, you will experience a renewal of energy and focus. However, key planetary influences will require patience and strategic thinking. Venus retrograde March 1st to April 12th. Venus, your ruling planet, is retrograde until April 12th, affecting love, finances, and self-expression. Avoid drastic changes in relationships or financial matters. Use this period to reflect and reassess your priorities. Mercury retrograde March 15 to April 7. As Venus, your ruling planet, moves retrograde, it brings a period of reassessment in love, finances, and personal values. Until April 12th, expect slower developments in relationships and financial matters. Avoid drastic changes, reflect on past decisions, and refine your long-term priorities. Mars in Cancer after February 23. Mars in Cancer shifts your energy toward home, emotions, and personal security. Prioritize emotional well-being and strengthen your home life and personal stability. Career and finances. Until March, Saturn in your 10th house emphasizes professional responsibilities. In April, as Saturn moves into your 11th house, the focus shifts to networking and long-term goals. Use this time to establish strong connections that can support your future aspirations. Relationships. With Venus retrograde until April 12th, relationships and friendships may undergo reevaluations. Avoid rash decisions in love and instead reflect on what truly matters in your connections. Health and well-being. Mars in Cancer highlights the need for emotional balance and a focus on home life. Engage in relaxing activities like meditation or yoga to maintain inner peace. Best days for success. April 6th, the moon in Capricorn favors career moves and long-term planning. April 19th, the sun enters Taurus, bringing a boost of confidence and vitality. April 25th, Venus aligns with Jupiter, creating an excellent day for relationships and financial growth. What to avoid. April 3rd to 7, Mercury retrograde's final days may bring misunderstandings and delays. April 20th, tension between Mars and Pluto could spark conflicts in relationships or work. April 2025 is a month of introspection and strategic planning for Taurus. By navigating these planetary influences with patience and awareness, you can turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description and align your actions with the cosmic cycles. How do you plan to use April's energy to manifest success? Drop your Taurus insights in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.